Hi po! Alam niyo po,
guys? Another day, another day.
another day, another vlog. Alam niyo pa kung anong oras na dito? 7 o'clock na po. Pero tirik pa po yung araw. 7:15 to be exact. So we're gonna go to the market this afternoon and titingin kami ng mga souvenir. Tapos, uwi na rin po kaagad. Kasi tomorrow will be our flight na po. So, yay! I'll update you later po.
Yo guys, good morning. We're going home now. Another day, another vlog.
Oh my God, lovely. My leaders. Hello guys, at this time we're already in Armenia and we are going to the airport. Well, actually, sobrang pagod sa biyahe. But then we decided to wait in the airport for our travel going back to UAE. So guys, we're already here in the airport and this airport is Seme. Basta ayaw na yun. Nandito na kami. Dito na po kami sa airport ng Armenia and
Pabalik ng Dubai.
Going back to Dubai. Kakain na lang muna kami kasi masyado kaming maaga. So from Georgia, we came here directly. The travel hours from Georgia via car is 6 hours. Yeah. For 6 hours we traveled and then we came here directly. So ang flight namin is 1:55 early morning. Dito na kami dumiretso, dito na lang kami mag-aantay. So another day, another vlog.
Yes, guys, pabalik na kami ng Dubai. And nandito na nga kami sa airport. Nag-aantay na lang kami ng flight. Wala pa yung masyado kaming maaga. Wala pa yung namin, yung airline. Amin yun eh.
Yeah, so nag-aantay pa po kami. Kain po muna kami. Pagod po kami andito.